Hello guys, welcome into this channel of mine. So today's topic is question on general science. So here we begin. So the first question is, which of the following is the largest blood vessel which carries blood away from the heart? So it's artery, and the blood vessel which carries blood towards the heart, it's vein. So the largest blood vessel is aorta. Then second question is, fungi are the plants that lacks. Fungi does lack chlorophyll, so that's why they are heterotrophic. So there are times when lichen is formed. So lichen is formed by the combination of fungi and algae. In that version, the fungi provide shelter to algae, and algae provide food to fungi. So in that way, fungi got that food from algae. So the next question is, what makes a reptile a reptile? So its egg-laying feature. Due to its egg-laying feature, it is the characteristic feature of a reptile. Then the fourth question is, which blood vessel has a smallest diameter? So the capillaries are very small. They are clumsily present in our body, so they have the smallest diameter. Then the fifth question comes is, which organ of body produce the fluid known as bile? So the so the liver produces bile, and the bile is stored in the gallbladder. So the next question come up is sixth question, that's a yellow dust appear on finger when we touch the middle of the flower. These are pollen which got transferred from the stamen to the anther, from the anther to the stamen of another flower. The anther is the male reproductive structure of a flower, and the stigma, that's the female reproductive structure where the pollen lands and the fertilization takes place. Then the seventh question is, greatest number of sweat glands are produced in. The greatest number of sweat glands are produced over where in the human body. So they are majorly present on the palm of our hand. So the next question is, these are only the general basic questions that also come up in the MNS exam. So I am only providing these type of question. Then we will sum up with in next videos about the particular topic like human physiology chapter like digestion, absorption. I will also mention the videos over the next session, but now I am only focusing on the general science. So here are the question. The next question is, vaccination was started by, it was started by Edward Jenner. Then next question is, proteins are made up of, then proteins are made up of amino acids only. 10th question is, source of liver, milk, egg, yolk, fish liver oil. So all these sources are only the vitamin D. Vitamin D is produced in large amount from from these food items. So they are the sources of vitamin D. Then next question is 11th question, heart is made up of. So it is mentioned over our NCRT that heart is made up of cardiac muscle, and there are three types of muscle: striated muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Then the next question is, Hargobind Khurana researched on. So he had discovered the genetic code. He is of Indian origin, and have researched in USA, as we all know. Then the 13th question is, name the coronavirus that kills human. That is SARS. SARS is there are many types of coronavirus. The type which kills humans is SARS. So the coronavirus that kill this type of only kills humans is SARS. The full form of SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. The next question is, digestion of proteins start in. So we have read this in digestion and absorption wala chapter. So in that chapter, it is properly mentioned that digestion of protein always starts in the stomach, and the digestion I'm mentioning yet another point also, that digestion of the carbohydrates does start in our buccal cavity itself. The 15th question here is, acid released in stomach. So all of us do know that acid in stomach is always the HCl. It's the concentrated HCl. Then the next question coming up is, deficiency of which vitamin causes xerophthalmia? Xerophthalmia is a disease of eyes. It is due to the vitamin A. It is the lack of vitamin A. Then the 17th question is, hepatitis is a general term for disease that is caused by. Hepatitis is a disease that is caused by the virus. Next question is, which has alpha keratin protein? So I have not included the options over here. So do learn about the alpha keratin protein. What is the alpha keratin protein? So I have mentioned the answer. It's wool. Wool have the alpha keratin protein. Then 19th question is, which vegetable has abundance of vitamin A and C? So tomato has itself the vitamin and A and C both. Then 28th question is, scientific name of baking soda. So it's sodium bicarbonate. I will suggest that all the scientific name of these compounds may come in MNS exam. So kindly refer to these and do learn these. Then the next question is 21st question, that is ozone hole refers to. So we have read this in the ecology chapter, that is ozone hole is the decrease in the thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere. The ozone layer is a layer which protect us from the UV rays and that comes in the sun radiation. So the ozone layer protect us from that, from UV rays. The UV rays majorly causes the skin cancer and cataract of eye. These are several diseases that caused by UV rays. So the ozone layer protect us from that. So ozone hole refers to the decrease in the thickness in the ozone layer, which we also have read that in Antarctica the ozone layer is very have been very thin due to the global warming. Then coming to the next question, 22nd question, pines, cedar, these are the trees that belong to which kingdom? That belongs to the gymnosperms. Then next question, 23rd question, that is pollination. I have talked about in the previous question about the pollination thing. It's the transfer of pollen from the stigma to it's I have written wrong over here, that it's the transfer of pollen from anther to the stigma is the female part which receive the pollen, so it's the opposite thing, it's somewhere mistaken. Then coming to the next question, the plants receive their nutrients majorly from, so it's from the soil. All those things which are जो कमी हो जाती है plants में, so they receive that thing from the soil, and if the soil do not have those things, the plant wilts. Then 25th question is movement of cell against concentration gradient is called, against the concentration gradient it's active transport, and if it is on towards the concentration gradient it's passive transport. So majorly the sodium and glucose takes place by passive transport, and the minerals which are not in the plant, that those takes place by active transport. Then 26th question is photosynthesis generally takes place in. The photosynthesis we all know takes place in leaf and the other chloroplast. Wherever the green region is present in the plants, all those photosynthesis takes place over there. Then 27th question is plant synthesize proteins from. So protein's basic form is amino acid. So plant always synthesize the basic forms, that is amino acid, to form protein. Then 28th question is plants absorb dissolved nitrates from soil. That it is mentioned that plants absorb all the nitrates from soil and convert into a basic structure, that is free nitrogen. Then 29th question is plant absorb most of the water from. So as it is mentioned over the morphology part, there is a root section over there, that there are particular sections like root, that region of elongation, maturation region. So in the root hair section, the uppermost section of root, that is where root hairs are generated, so in that region the plant absorb most of its water. Then 30th question is process of cell division takes place by, we all know, we have read over 6th 7th class that it's mitosis. Then 31st question is most highly intelligent mammals are. So in this question there might be the answer might be two. The first is dolphin, which I mentioned over here, and second might be chimpanzee, but the option of chimpanzee was not there, so we can mark dolphin. 32nd question is plant development is influenced by. So the plant will be maximum developed if the quality, quantity and duration of light is there. There might be a better quality, quantity and duration of light if the plant is growing very frequently. So we should consider that there is the light is well in quality, quantity and duration is also in best form. Then 33rd question is photosynthesis takes faster in. So it's take faster in white light, we all know. Sunlight is also white light. Then 34th question is nucleus discovered in 1931 by. So nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. 35th question is primary phloem developed from. So it's mentioned over the chapter of anatomy in flowering plants. So here the primary phloem is developed from provascular tissue. The primary phloem and xylem also developed from the vascular tissues, we all know. The 36th question over here is, other than spreading malaria, Anopheles mosquito are also the vectors of. So that's filariasis. It is also called elephantiasis. So Anopheles are also the vector of this disease, that is filariasis. It occurs in the lymph section or the genital section. In this disease, the lymph or the genital portion grow up like the elephant, That's why it is called as elephantiasis. Then 37th question is plants that grow in saline water are called its halophiles. Then 38th question is pyuria. Pyuria is a disease of gums. It is a disease in which the gums start bleeding. Then 39th question is oxygen released in photosynthesis comes from. So it can be deciphered from the reaction of photosynthesis itself, which is mentioned over the NCRT, that photosynthesis chapter. So it is clearly mentioned over there that oxygen which is released in photosynthesis comes from the water itself. The 40th question is placenta is a structure formed by. So it is formed by the union of fetus and uterine tissue. So it is formed by the inculcation of the fetus of the child and the uterine tissue of the mother. Then the placenta helps in giving the nutrition to the baby, and getting back all those toxin released by the baby in form of C2 or all the feces, that takes all that toxins from that from that baby, and it gives back to the mother, and the mother also eject it through feces. Then 41st question is plant hormone includes cell division is known as kinins. So that why the term has given as cytokinin, because cytokinin also helps in cell division. It's a plant hormone. We can also kinin can be also termed as cytokinin. Then 42nd question is neurospora is it's a plant that is used as a genetic material, because neurospora is a bacteria, so it's not a plant, sorry for it. It's used as a genetic material. Why? So it is used as a genetic material because it has a lifespan of only 10 days, so it can be made so easily. So that's why it is used as a genetic material. The 42nd question is phloem tissue is found in. So it is definitely very easy question, that it is found in plants only. 43rd question is nitrogen is fixed in atmosphere due to the ratio of nitrogen that is fixed in atmosphere. The ratio do not turn as maximum or minimum. ज़्यादा बढ़ता भी नहीं है nitrogen, कम भी नहीं होता. Why this fact occur? It is because that nitrogen cycle also takes place in plants, so that why the ratio of nitrogen is fixed in atmosphere. Then 44th question is potato is a modified, it's a modified stem. It is ये question जो पॉइंट है, ये पूरा जो 5th चैप्टर 11th क्लास का मॉर्फोलॉजी इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स वहाँ पे मेंशनड है. देन 45th क्वेश्चन इज prothrombin releases from. Prothrombin helps in clotting of blood. It releases from the blood platelet itself. In 44th question there is also a term that is sweet potato. That scientific name is Ipomia batata. So I would mention that it is a modification of root itself, and potato is a modification of stem. Then next question is myopia is connected with. So it is connected with eyes, we all know. The 47th question is plants developed in dry conditions are, they are xerophytes. Then 48th question is plants growing in sand are called, that are psammophytes. Then 49th question, plant wilt due to the excessive of they wilt due to excessive transpiration, because if the water is not present and it always do the transpiration process, they can't do the thing photosynthesis, and by that thing the nutrition are not nutrition हर part के हर plant के part को नहीं मिलता nutrition, so they wilt. The last question is poison gland in snake are homologous to. So the poison gland of snake are homologous to the salivary glands of vertebrates. Actually this evolution is convergent evolution, because it's not convergent, it's divergent evolution, because पहले जो snakes के पास fangs होते थे वो पहले पैरोटिड ग्लैंड्स ही थे, बट ये वाला जो था ये चेंज होके ये पॉइजन ग्लैंड बन गए स्नेक्स के. सो इट्स डाइवर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन. एंड एज इन 2020's M&S questions, maximum questions were from plant physiology, so I have think about getting lot of questions related to plant physiology, so I have included all that, and I will in next videos I will try to provide more and more questions related to general science and general knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you have watched till end, please like. Okay, thank you.